Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to repair your app which is not working in Windows 11. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should click on Start menu and choose Setting. On the left side, we have an option which is Apps. Click on Apps, and here we have Installed App, for example. Um, my notepad is not working very well, so I can repair the app from here. Search for editor. Okay, this one, and click on three dots and click on advanced options. You should scroll down. Here we have an option which you can repair apps which is not working or which cannot be opened. Okay, just click on repair. As you can see, it has been repaired successfully. That's it guys, hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.